Problem 3. Simplify without using a calculator. Solution. Recall the double angle identities for cosine. Using the second result and substituting alpha is equal to 15 degrees, we get 2 cos square 15 degrees minus 1 equals cos 2 times 15 degrees equals cos 30 degrees. We can now substitute 2 cos square 15 degrees minus 1 equals cos 30 degrees in the given expression. Sine 412 degrees equals sine 360 degrees plus 52 degrees equals sine 52 degrees using reduction formula. Note that sine 104 degrees in the numerator can be expressed as sine 2 times 52 degrees. Now recall the double angle identity for sine. Substituting alpha is equal to 52 degrees, we get sine 2 times 52 degrees equals 2 sine 52 degrees times cos 52 degrees. Substituting 412 degrees equals sine 52 degrees and sine 104 degrees equals sine 2 times 52 degrees in the numerator of the expression. Now, consider tan 38 degrees in the denominator. Tan 38 degrees equals sine 38 degrees over cos 38 degrees equals cos 90 degrees minus 38 degrees over sine 90 degrees minus 38 degrees. Using tan identity and complementary ratios. Tan 38 degrees equals cos 52 degrees over sine 52 degrees. Substituting this in the denominator of the expression, dividing the numerator and the denominator by cos 52 degrees, we get, simplifying further, equals 2 cos 30 degrees. Substituting the value of cos 30 degrees equals root 3 over 2, the expression equals 2 times root 3 over 2 equals root 3. Thus we have simplified the given expression.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Masky to help you and let the math finally start mathing.